Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee County in southeastern New Mexico, southwestern Andrews County in western Texas, north central Winkler County in western Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Time, or 4:45 p.m. Mountain Time. At 4:51 p.m. Central Time, or 3:51 p.m. Mountain Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles southwest of Eunice Airport, or 23 miles southwest of Eunice, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Jal Airport and Bennett. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.